Hello beautiful, I'm David Stanko. I'm here to share with you how to use Madison Reed Light Works to achieve balayage highlights. In this video, you'll watch our step-by-step instructions in action as Amy highlights her hair, a foolproof application and gorgeous highlights. The two-step application will take approximately 90 minutes from beginning to end. Let's do this. First, start with dry, unwashed hair, and make sure you wear a shirt that opens in the front. This way, you don't have to pull anything over your head when it's time to shampoo. Make sure you have a few old towels on hand, one to drape over your shoulders, another to wipe your hands as you go, and of course, you'll need a couple of towels after you shampoo. I highly recommend that you do a strand test before starting. This will help you determine the exact processing time in order to achieve the degree of lightness you want. Refer to your instructions on how to do a strand test. It's really pretty easy. Mix a half teaspoon of lightening cream with 1 teaspoon of lightning activator in a plastic container and apply it to a strand of your hair. Set a timer and after 10 minutes, wipe the hair clean and check to see if you've reached your desired level of lightness. If not, reapply the lightening cream and continue to check every 5 minutes until you have your desired level of highlight, and write it down. How long it took, you'll definitely need to know that. Also, we always recommend that you do a sensitivity test 48 hours before using Lightworks. The steps are also included in the instructions. Now, let's highlight. Here's Amy. First, she's going to section her hair to make application easier. Part hair down the center. Part off the entire nape and back, just above the center of the ears. This will not be highlighted. Using a non-metallic clip, clip up the hair in these 3 sections. Unclip the hair on the left side. Part hair diagonally from the temple to just above the ear in order to create a smaller subsection. Reclip the rest of the section. Brush the subsection to untangle the hair. Put on gloves. Squeeze Light Works Lightening Cream into lightning activator bottle. Replace the cap. Shake until completely blended, approximately 60 seconds. There will be some activator left in the nozzle of the applicator bottle. To dislodge, remove nozzle cap and squeeze the bottle to dispense and discard any unmixed product. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Aim to complete the application within this time. Apply a generous amount of lightning cream mixture to the applicator until all bristles are covered with a thick layer. Hold subsection of hair straight and taut. Position the applicator 2 inches from roots with prongs facing toward the scalp. It is not necessary to use a lot of pressure. Doing so may cause the mixture to transfer to the hair underneath. If you get any lightning cream mixture on your skin, remove with cleansing wipe. Apply cream to each subsection in a V shape. Gently sweep applicator downwards to apply lightning cream mixture to the top surface of the hair only. Turn tool horizontal and saturate mid-lengths and ends. Reload the applicator frequently so you always have plenty of product to apply. Smooth out clumps with applicator. Make sure visible white layer is evident on top of the hair. Move to the right side of the head. Unclip hair. Repeat, taking a diagonal subsection and apply lightener. One tip, apply lightning cream mixture to one side of the subsection and then the other. As you work upward, subsections get wider. Divide wider subsections in half. Apply Lightworks to both subsections before moving upward. Remove gloves. Keep alternating sides, left then right. Continue to work upwards until you've completed 4 to 5 subsections on both sides. When you apply lightener to the subsections towards the back of the head, begin the application further down the hair strand. Set timer for 40 minutes or according to the results of your strand test. Total processing time, including application, should not exceed 60 minutes. When processing time is complete, put on second pair of gloves and thoroughly rinse Lightworks from your hair, keeping product away from the face and eyes. Shampoo with Lightworks Bond Building Cleansing Treatment included in the kit. Leave on for 3 minutes, then rinse. Now it's time to tone your new highlights. Put on a pair of gloves. Puncture Light Works Finish Toning Glaze. Squeeze contents into activator. Replace cap and shake for 30 seconds. Divide hair into 4 sections. Apply toning glaze generously to your hair so hair is completely saturated. Comb hair. Put on cap. Set timer for 20 minutes. When processing time is completed, rinse thoroughly. Shampoo and condition. Wow, Amy did a fantastic job applying her highlights. Her hair looks healthy, her highlights look natural and beautiful, as if she had them done in a salon, but you saw her apply them herself. Now it's your turn. We cannot wait to see how much you love Lightworks and your balayage highlights. Remember, if you ever need more assistance or have a question, our color crew is here to help. Thanks for watching, and from all of us at Madison Reed, happy coloring.